So let's get started. First, I'm tucking my hair so it doesn't fall out my face. As always, starting with prepping your skin. For this, first I'm taking moisturizer. And second, I'm using Swiss Beauty Pearl Finish Primer. For foundation, we are using liquid foundation because we don't want high coverage. We just giving a bold eye look. That's it. Low coverage and simple makeup. For concealer, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer under my eyes, nose, and my hyperpigmentation areas and blending it with the beauty blender. Setting my foundation and concealer with Glaze's loose powder. Filling in my brows with brown gel eyeliner. I have enough hairs on my hair, just doing the shape of my eyebrows, and that's it. For this look, I'm using CV3 Kajal pencil, and you can use whatever you have. You have gel liner or any type of kajal you have. You can use any type of kajal for this look. First, I'm starting with lower lash line and fill in my lower lash line, just as you can see that. And after that, I will fill in my waterline. Now see closure, apply kajal as you apply liner. Just wing it through a little bit. If you want to wing, make a wing. If you don't want to make a wing, just don't do it. As you can see that it looks super bold and so gorgeous. Do a finishing touch and that's it. First we will finish first eye, then we will proceed on second. Then after eyeliner or kajal, apply mascara. Mascara is necessary for this look. It gives you your eyelashes a different look. See the difference on one eye and the second. Back with doing second eye. Applying blusher. As you all know, I love blusher. I'm in love with blushers. For the highlighter, I'm using Swiss Beauty's bronzing palette. And as you can see, it's superb shiny, shimmery. For this bold eye look, we need new lipstick. So I'm using pink shade. It's called Lust On. It's my favorite shade in the world. Let's do hairs. For this, we will do a knotting hairstyle. We do a 3 knots on our side partition, like French. Take a section, then divide into 2 parts and knot it. Then take a second section, then divide into 2 parts, mix with first of them and knot it. As like do the third one also, and done. Attach with your bobby pin and with your fancy clips, whatever you want. What do you think about this bold eye makeup look? I love it. And what do you think about this? Comment down below. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And press the bell icon so you never ever miss my makeover videos, my hair care videos, my skincare videos. See you in the next video. For today, done. Stay happy, stay glam. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.